Okay, this is problem 11 from chapter 9 of CFIN7. Going to work it in Excel and then on the BA2 Plus Professional. So, Kansas Furniture Corporation KFC is evaluating a capital budgeting project that costs $34,000 and is expected to generate after-tax cash flows equal to $14,150 for 3 years. KFC's required rate of return is 12%. So compute the project's NPV, internal rate of return, and then should the project be purchased. So we'll do 0, 1, 2, 3. So initial cash flow. Let's do this. Set it for commas, and then so 34,000. Negative 34,000. Then we've got the 14,150. Then would equal, and then drag it down. So now we've recreated our cash flows. Now our NPV. So equals NPV. Okay, I'm going to highlight all it. I come out of myself. You could enter the rate in a cell if you choose to. So 12%, 0.12, comma, and then highlight everything after the initial cash flow. Close paren, and then add back the initial costs. So it's a negative $14.09. So now the IRR. So full IRR, and we highlight everything. Close paren, get 12%, but that's going to be less than, isn't it? 11.98, so it's really close, but it's still negative. So again, the NPV is always your best choice. The IRR is can be questionable in a lot of cases, but the fact that the NPV is negative and the IRR is below the required rate of return means that you would not purchase the project.